Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 4 power 12 minus 4 power 10. So this is 12. I can express this 12 as product of 2 and 6. Or 2 times 6, I have 4 power 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Minus 4 power 10 is simply 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. You have a power n times n equals a power n all to the power of n. I will apply this right here and here, so we'll have 4 power 2 all to the power of 6 minus 4 power 2 all to the power of 5. Now, we need to find the value of 4 power 2, that is 4 times 4. This becomes 16 power 6 minus 16 power 5. This is 6. This is 5. I can express this as summation of 5 and 1. So I'm going to have 16 power 5 plus 1 minus 16 power 5. Now, if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power n. Applying this identity right here, I will simply have 16 power 5 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 5. So we have 16 power 5 here, 16 power 5 here. I can factor that out. I have 16 power 5 times this divided by 16 power 5. We have 16 minus 16 power 5 divided by 16 power 5. We have 1. So right now I have 16 power 5 times 16 minus 1. That is 15. So from here, 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 power 2, and that is 4 times 4. So I'm going to have 4 power 2, that is 16, raised to the power of 5 times 15. From here, I multiply this exponent 2 times 5, that is 10. I have 4 power 10 times 15. Remember, this is 4. So from here, we need to find the value of 4 power 10. And don't forget, 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2. I can replace it here. I have 2 power 2 raised to the power of 10 times 15. So don't forget, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So this multiplies out. We have 2 power 20 times 15. So this we can as well express it as 2 power is 10 times 2, that is 20 times 15. And we can express this as 2 power 10 or power 2 times 15. So finding the value of 2 power 10, 2 power 10 is just like writing 2 power 5 times 2, which simply means 2 power 5 to the power of 2. And 2 power 5 is what? 32. 32 power 2. This is 32 times 32. We have 32 times 32. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 4, 12. 2 carry by 1, add here 10, 1024. So we have 1024 there. So this is 1024 power 2 times 15. So finding 1024 power 2, this simply means 1024 is 1000 plus 24 power 2 times 15. And this means 1000 plus 24 times 1000 plus 24 times 15. So this 1000 times 1000, 1000 times 24, 24 times 1000, 24 times 24. Or if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2 equals a squared plus 2ab plus b power 2, in which a is 1000, b is 24. You can use any of the methods. You can multiply out. So let's make use of this. This will be 1000 power 2, that is 1000 times 1000 plus 2 times 1000 times 24 plus 24 power 2. The whole of this will multiply 15. Don't forget that. One thousand squared is 1 million plus 2000. This is 48,000 plus 576 times 15. So this is 1,048,576. 1,048,576 times 50. So let's multiply this out. We have 1048 576 times 50. 5 times 6, 30. 0 carry over 3. 5 times 7, 35 plus 3, 38. 8 carry over 3. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 8, 28. 8 carry over 2. 5 times 8, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 2 carry over 4. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. 5 times 0, 0, 0 plus 2. 5 times 1, 5. Carry 1. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. We add up together. This is 0, this is 14. 4 carry over 1 out here. 9, 9 plus 7. That becomes 16, right? Yeah, 16. 6 carry over 1 out here. This becomes 8. This is 12. 2 carry over 1 out here. 7. This is 5. This is 1. So at the end, we have this is 15,728,640 for the values of 4 power 12 minus 4 power 10. What we have gotten. So that is it. That is how we can evaluate this without the use of calculator step by step. And I believe you enjoyed this, but a quick recap. The first step is to express this 4 power 12. The 12 here, you express it as product of 2 and 6. This one as product of 2 and 5. Apply this identity. A power n times m equals a power n or power n. Take out the 4, the 2, and take out the 2. That gives you 16 power 6 minus 16 power 5. Express 16 power 6 as 16 power 5 plus 1. The common term is 16 power 5. You have 16 power 5 times 16 minus 1. That gives you 16 power 5 times 15. If you know the value of 16 power 5, you can insert here. If you don't know, break it down again. That is 4 power 2 or power 5 times 15. 4 power 10 times 15. From here, 4 is the perfect square, that is 2 power 2. You have 2 power 20, break it down to 10 times 2, take out 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is 1024. If you don't know, if you know it, just insert it there. Square of 1024 will give you 1048576. So that will actually bring it here. So it depends on how well you know numbers, multiples of 2. From there, you multiply by 15 and get the answers. If I want to solve this on my own, I'm not sure I would take more than 3 minutes. It will not take me more than 3 minutes to do it. Well, so this is it. Thank you and goodbye.